Hi, this is Josh, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get various types of stains out of carpet material fibers. The first thing you need to know when you approach any stain is two things: how long it's been there and what the stain's made out of. Those two things will determine what you need to use to get it out. Now, there's various household cleaning materials you need. These chemicals are 5 or 6 in total, and you can use them to get any stain out that you don't need professional cleaning to do. So the first one is going to be beer. Beer on carpet fibers can leave quite a stain, and they can also produce an odor over time. Now, the first thing you want to do with beer is you want to take a mild liquid detergent, liquid soap, and apply it directly to the carpet fibers, just a small amount. Then you want to take a white dry cloth, and you want to blot the stain to pull the stain out of the fibers. You never want to rub it, because all that does is dig down into the carpet, the stain, and also it spreads it. So you want to blot it out. Then the next thing you want to apply is a small amount of ammonia. And I usually use the citrus scent because it tends to get the stain out a little bit more efficiently. So you just want to put a tiny amount of ammonia on the stain, and then you want to blot it again, applying just a little bit of pressure. Once you do that, you want to apply a little bit of vinegar. You always want to do the ammonia before the vinegar. And then you want to blot again. And then finally, you want to flood the area with water. And then you blot the final time to dry the area off